Hi, this is Waihat and I represent Dentomi Limited. Here at Dentomi, we develop AI solutions to bring oral health care to everyone.
And how does it work?
Basically, our AI turns your smartphone into your own dentist without actually going to dental clinic. So here is a demonstration. This is exactly the iPad here. So we just need a smartphone or iPad camera, and then you take a photo of your mouth. Simple, no extra hardware, no specialized training.
Maybe you ask somebody to hold the camera when you do this with the mouse. You need to show the
teeth. You can do it yourself, or you can ask your family to do it for you. And then in a few seconds, it will show you back the results, and then visualizing the area where you require more attention from you in the red. You probably need to consider brush better, brush properly, or using a dental floss. And then the yellow is the marginal case. They will also require you to pay more attention. And because in dentistry, by brushing properly yourself, you can prevent a lot of issues later on. You can avoid a lot of expensive treatment and so yeah.
And this is does it work?
How does it work?
It works?
It works, yes.
And you have it deployed already, or you start up?
So at this moment, we have a few, around X of these tools deployed through our partners, including NGOs and community centers, where they use our oral health AI to help their residents, their members to keep track of oral health. Many of them, they actually are among the underserved population. They could not afford to see that much dentists. So using this tool, it allows them to have access to oral health care.
So, because often dentistry is like a problem that people don't care enough, and because sometimes it's expensive, they don't know, do they need, they don't know,
yes.
They don't know if they need it. And so your AI, your app can help people to know, okay, maybe you should do something, you know?
Yes, there's two factors in this. One, using our AI tool, it helps you to visualize where you need to put in more effort. Because we all have seen a dentist before, and sometimes dentists will tell you, you have not been brushing properly. And the question comes, where have I not been brushing properly? And in many cases, after we left the clinic, we forgot already. So it helps us to remember which part you need to work on it. And second, we also provide some oral health knowledge through our AI. It will also teach you why you need to take care of yourself.
All right. So what is your business model? What is your plan?
At this moment in Hong Kong, we are more on the 2B side. We work with the NGO and then the community center. We also have partnership with Colgate. And then, of course, in different markets, we have a different approach. Like in the United States, we can consider both a 2B or a 2C.
Is this app going to be free?
Well, if we work with corporate sponsor access, like in
with
this,
the Dentist Association.
Yeah. And then in that case, their users will be able to use it for free. Yeah. For example,
because then they will spend money with the dentist.
Yeah. Because for example, previously we work with Colgate. They will then sponsor the access for some elderly homes. In that case, the users do not need to pay, and the company will pay for them.
Nice. And what is your background?
I'm a dentist myself, and I am trained in public health before, and I'm actually doing my PhD at this moment with the University of Hong Kong. And this is actually my PhD research project that I want to translate into actual community impact.
And how do you develop AI that can do this?
Basically, we in dental clinics, the dentists, before they start doing the clinical exam, we will do some visual screening ourselves. So we teach the AI how we dentists do visual assessment, and the AI can do the visual assessment themselves.
And so I guess it's based on thousands or millions of photos, and it learns,
yes,
right? And there's like a database where you get all the data.
Well, we start from our PhD project. What the primary data, they were from the patients we have in the teaching hospitals. And then as we scale up, we also have more data from the users who agree to let us use the data to train.
Is it possible that maybe there's Bluetooth accessory or something you can put around the mouse that take a better photo of the teeth, or is the phone good enough?
I think it's good enough because our tool is designed to be accessible. If we have extra hardware or we ask the user to have more training, then it's not that accessible at all. So this AI is designed to work only just with your smartphone.
And maybe the health insurance company like this, because maybe you can take photo of your mouth, of your teeth, and then they say, okay, you can have dental insurance or not. Or maybe you can have, but it's cost more.
It's actually a good idea, yes.
So you can contact them, right?
Yeah, well, that's a one way
insurance.
of partnership, yes.
Maybe with this app, everybody can have insurance. It just depends on the price.
Yeah, that is a very good way to go. Because once we have a more better insurance, the treatment cost will come down.